Hey guys, I'm doing review on a 20 volt Dewalt power wash, or you could call it a pressure washer. And so I just washed the whole car, and I used up 15 gallons of water, so 3 buckets of those, and a full battery, full Dewalt battery, 60 watt, 6 amp, and used up the whole thing. So with a 40-degree tip or nozzle, and I'll show you what the pressure is. That's using it with a bucket, not through the hose. Check it out. And this is a 550 psi. It's a little stronger than what you get from a hose from the house, but does the job. Car was super dirty, washed it out fine. And if you have problems with accessing water, this is the great way to fix the issue.